Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. A great start today into the second quarter. The whole market is seeing an uplift, and Bitcoin has risen by 3.75% from 82,300 to today's highs of roughly 85,500. The traditional markets are also up, with SPX gaining 1.66% and NDQ up by 1.93%. It's great to see Bitcoin pumping alongside traditional markets when a fresh breeze of liquidity lifts the entire space. Remember my M2 money supply video? A lot of YouTubers are talking about it now. The time is ripe, and we are finally seeing the rise in M2 reflected in the overall market, including our beloved Bitcoin. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, prices moving right through the key areas we mentioned in previous videos, between 83,900 and 86,700. We are now right in front of the hottest zone around 85,500 to 85,700. If we rip through this area, we could see a push higher in the next few hours. If Bitcoin needs to take a short-term breather, a dip to 84,700 could act as support before continuing upwards past the next blue-dotted horizontal line at 86,100. But we need to watch what happens when price meets the yellow downward trend line. This trend started around March 24th, when Bitcoin got rejected at 88,600. Right now, that trend line sits at 86,600. In the next 21 hours, the president will hold his April 2nd speech about the T-word, which could impact the market negatively. That could align with another retest of 84,700. But let's not jump the gun. My trades from 100,000, 94,000, and 86,000 are still open. I'm eagerly waiting for them to turn profitable again soon. Meanwhile, ETFs are still cautious, showing a $60.6 million outflow on Monday. WisdomTree led the selling with $32.6 million, followed by ARK and Bitwise. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value out of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.